My name is Stefan Slavnicu. I am the CTO of Orange Romania, and I am glad that Orange presents this year edition of DefCamp, the most important cybersecurity event in Romania. The reason why we are here today is because we know that internet and connectivity are now the electricity that shaped the world in what we know today since the Industrial Revolution. Connectivity is not shaping only the organization. The world is talking about sharing economy, and the core of this shift is connectivity. And networks are the backbones of this tectonic shift in which organizations and consumers find themselves. We talk about smart cities, about Internet of Things, about big data, and the aggregator and the common denominator is the network. Orange is committed to offering its customers, both business and consumers, the connectivity in order to reach their goals in this transformation process. In this equation of digitalization, Orange is an enabler, integrating solutions to anticipate and answer to the ever-growing needs of connectivity. But in order to ensure connectivity, we also have to ensure security. And the threats are even growing. We have seen lately an increasing pace of cyber attacks, and the consequences are serious. For instance, one of the largest, MyDoom, caused losses that added up to $35.1 billion US. The fact that the users are always connected create a universe of threats. For example, from the total of approximately 1.7 billion social network accounts, over 600,000 are compromised daily. And the figures continue to be worrisome. 99% of all computers in the world have vulnerabilities. And the new technologies just put more pressure. The Internet of Things, or Internet of Connected Objects and Devices, are growing at an exponential rate, and so are the threats to them. Because of the insecure implementation, these Internet-connected embedded devices, including smart TVs, refrigerators, microwave ovens, coffee machines, surveillance systems, are being hacked constantly and used as weapons for cyber attacks. We have seen, for example, how hackers literally turned more than 100,000 smart TVs and refrigerators into cyber weapons to send out millions of spam emails for hacking campaigns. We have also seen how hackers abused printers and set-top boxes to mine for bitcoins. The IP addresses for CCTV boxes causing DDoS attacks were coming from no fewer than 105 countries around the world, and the researchers noted over 25,000 different and unique IP addresses within few hours. In this context, Orange has to invest in increasing the security of its users and of its clients. Therefore, we have made some decisive steps. First, security by design. This is a new way in which Orange elaborates its mobile and fixed products and services for residential, business, and public sector. This concept is addressing also the newcomers such as Orange Home, Orange Smart Home, and Orange Smart City. Second step, security expertise and experience. Orange offers fully managed cybersecurity services for organizations. Third step is the know-how. We have multiple certifications in cybersecurity covering areas such as industrial, IoT and M2M, data centers, wireless. In order to achieve this level of expertise, Orange Group acquired 2 companies specialized on cybersecurity. One of them, Athendees, that now is part of Orange Cyber Defense, and the second one is Lexi, a threat intelligence provider. We are the only telco operator to offer a proactive service for Security Operations Center, security audit, penetration testing, and code review to collect vulnerabilities from app, web pages, and e-commerce apps. We are the only operator to have launched a real-time threat map that you are seeing on the screens. We are the only telco operator to have initiated a bug bounty competition within DefCamp back in 2015 with our partner Fortinet. And we are actively involved in raising awareness among the young generation regarding the threats and security risks, as we are involved in European Cybersecurity Challenge, Romania Cybersecurity Congress, DefCamp, Bug Bounty, and Innovation Labs. We are involved in partnerships with trusted organizations and startups from the cyber domain for a safer digital experience. Orange has partnerships with companies such as Fortinet, Bitdefender, and Kaspersky to secure the mobile and the fixed internet access for our customers. While BitSentinel and CyberSmart Defense are helping us to provide professional security audits and penetration tests to benchmark the security compliance of our business solutions. All the steps we have made in order to ensure the security of our customers have to be supported by a common industry response. And to encourage this response, we have joined DefCamp today. The security of our data, of our connections, of our finances, and of our beloved memories are in your hands, in the hands of cybersecurity specialists. And by joining our efforts, we can keep customers seamlessly connected without fear and threats. I recommend you visit the Orange stand in the lobby, where you can take a sneak peek on our cybersecurity solutions, mobile application, and interact directly with developers. Even if probably you made some of them and spoke to them, there you can also exchange impressions with software enthusiasts within Orange team on subjects like development practice, continuous deployment, mobile apps, tools and frameworks, or any other challenge or enjoyment they take in their activity. And I'm sure they will be happy to know you also. That's all. Thank you.